How are you today, everybody?
Good.
How old are you?
3 years old. 8-year-old.
I'm 10, nearly 11.
Oh, I see. How about you, Angela? How old are you? What time did you get up this morning?
Probably like 7:30.
I wake up in 1 a.m.
Really? It was so early.
I wake up at like 8 or 7 a.m. I don't remember.
What time did you have your breakfast this morning?
I'm not sure, maybe like 9.
I eat breakfast and I eat breakfast in 4, 8, 9.
4, 8, 9, right? Okay. How
I
about
eat
you?
my breakfast at like 10. Yeah, I think 10.
What is your hobby?
Like playing games on online games, but I don't play them anymore.
What is 10 multiplied by 100 and infinite? Okay, I want to do my animal. I want to do animal now.
Guess the animal?
No. Do my favorite animal.
What's your favorite animal?
Sea turtle.
Oh, really?
That is sea turtle is a turtle that lives in water.
Water?
Yeah. It has 4 flippers.
Oh, interesting.
Live in a sea that is I also like pandas. Is my favorite animal too, but also dogs. I have 2 dogs. It's Ben. She named Ben and Gracie. I want a sea turtle to make Kamchatka. And a panda named should be Pee Pee.
Wow, that's interesting.
That's a cute name.
Oh yeah, exactly. That's a cute name. Linda, what is your favorite animal? Do you have favorite animals?
I like koalas
Koalas?
and koala because koala they smile every time, and koalas are like cute and they just sleep the whole time like sloths.
Do Hannah now.
How about you, Hannah? What is your favorite animal?
I don't really have a favorite animal.
You have
Fish.
Fish?
Yeah, fish is a bird.
Okay, I see. Do you like fish?
My favorite kind of fish is a betta fish. Betta. They're pretty.
I see.
Love some dragon fruit.
Right?
And apples and orange and strawberries, also some watermelon.
Wow.
So watermelons just go down to my shirt. That's why I always need to take my clothes. That's why.
I see. How about you, Linda?
I like strawberries because they're sweet and sometimes they're sour at the same time.
I see. How about you, Hannah?
I like mangoes and pineapple. We have a lot of them in our farm. Pineapples.
I see.
I know pineapple.
Okay, Philip, who is your favorite football player?
Messi.
Why Messi?
He actually win 3 goals and now he win and second he win 5 goals and second and third he win 10 goals and fourth he win 4 goals.
Okay. Who is your favorite singer?
Singer? If like he was still like younger, probably Justin Bieber.
Justin Bieber?
Yeah, I like his vibes.
Do you like the way he sings?
And I like his song called Beauty in a Beat.
Oh, really? How about you, Hannah? Who is your favorite YouTuber?
Oh, that's
Mr.
a hard one. It's a hard one.
Please choose only one person.
I like the Anazola family. My YouTuber.
Yeah,
What's your
YouTuber?
favorite YouTuber?
Your favorite YouTuber?
Like Diana and Roma, like that. Peppa Pig.
What kind of channel is it?
It's actually is a pig family that is George, Papa, Mommy Pig, Daddy Pig.
Interesting.
And second is Evie Pig.
Ah, Evie Pig. I see.
It's probably Lily
Really?
because she plays MM2, and I also like Tupac Kahar because she does games that I like.
Ah.
What's your favorite country, Philip?
You need to say what's my favorite country. And after Hannah and after Linda.
Okay. What is your favorite country?
Ooh, that's Philippines.
Philippines?
Yes,
Why not Myanmar?
No, I like Philippines because it's the same name as me.
Really? So your name is
Philip.
Philip?
Philippines is actually do Philip and Philippines.
Ah, that's great.
That's
How about you, Hannah?
Philippines.
Why?
Because they have beaches and fun water parks. Yeah, I love beaches. And I want to swim with sharks.
Ah, are you not afraid of sharks?
No. They're friendly sharks. But gray water shark, I don't want to swim with them. I want gray water shark. You want to swim with them? Yeah. They'll eat you. No, they won't. Why?
How about you, Linda? What is your favorite country?
I would say United States of America because they have popular and cool stuff, and they have like the most like good people, like all those like rich people and good people also, and that country has the most YouTubers.
Ah, I see. Do you want to be a YouTuber? Do you want to earn some money from YouTube?
Yeah, that's like one of my dreams.
Ah, one day your dream will.
One day I have Philippines of my dream about you and Angela and me and all of my family.
Ah, I see. So, do you want to live in the Philippines?
Yes. I don't
Why?
want to leave fan. Because we like the school, the IS school. We like it.
Oh, I see.
Actually, and our cousin go to that.
You know, there are earthquakes there very often. Are you afraid of it?
No. I'm a
God
little
can
bit
protect us.
Yeah.
because of they so big earthquakes. They are so noisy.
Yeah.
Babies can cry a lot.
Yeah.